Go ahead and pack these 5 essentials in your bag and get your trip started. Welcome, dear viewers. I am Marina, and today's video is about for those who are traveling to Thailand for the first time. Now, you are somebody who are just packing and ready to go to the adventure, and you don't want to just stop by, go through additional shopping. So here is the video for you. Number 1, a universal adapter. Thailand uses socket type A, B, and C. If you are somebody coming from these countries, so make sure that you do carry yourself a reliable brand of travel adapter. You can find travel adapter in a lot of stores, but there are certain brands you may not be able to find in Thailand. So do yourself a favor and avoid all the additional hassle that will stop you from your travel journey. Just go ahead and buy yourself one. Additional tip, if you are specific about certain brands or certain product which is specifically available in your country and you're wondering, you may just buy it online or international shipping organization like Amazon. So anybody wondering, know this, that Amazon do not cater in Thailand. Anything specific you like which is available only in Amazon or in your country, do pack those too. Next up, a sturdy, lightweight travel backpack. I cannot get into the details how handy a travel backpack is going to be for you, in be it a city life in Bangkok or doing hiking in Chiang Mai, or you do any kind of adventure out there, you do need yourself a travel backpack. I would recommend look for something which is waterproof, has ample of space, and definitely lightweight and very comfortable strap in traveling to Thailand. Next up, a water purifier. Coming from somebody who is also labeled as fish, I drink a lot of water. In a tropical country like Thailand, which is mostly hot, let's be real, water is something you don't want to risk in a foreign country. Do yourself a favor, already pack a portable small size water purifier, something like this one. And as you can tell, this is very handy. You don't have to stop to a store. You are exploring some site or a temple, and benefits are endless, eco-friendly, cost-effective. You're not wasting too much plastic. You're doing a favor to ecosystem as well. Now this must have, find it very handy, a mosquito repellent. I don't know, overall majority of people have this issue. Get yourself a good quality, nice brand mosquito repellent. Of course you will find these in Thailand as well, but then again, like I mentioned, you want to just pack and ready to go, give yourself a nice head start. Last but not the least, a good quality sunscreen, light-weighted one. Yes, Thailand sunscreen is very much available over here, but relatively expensive than what you can get in your home country. So definitely buy yourself your favorite sunscreen and you are good to go. And there you have it. According to me, these are the top 5 essentials when you talk about you should actually be prepared and put it in your bag, other than your toiletry, your personal item, your favorite item. I think these 5 things are very essential, and everybody traveling, especially for the first time to Thailand, you don't know where to get what, definitely bring these things with you. If you're new to my channel, I am Marina Ron. We, family of 3, have been traveling on and off Thailand for a year now, and I have been making content related to my personal journey, things that we have experienced as a family, and learn and teach my viewers as we go. Please do subscribe to my channel, as I will be dropping more informative and realistic videos in future. And if you like the video, hit that like button and share with the viewers you think it could be useful to, and drop in the comment below if you think anything additional stuff I should add in the video or my other viewers can read through. Until next time, safe travel. Swadika.